Hello, everybody. My name is Cormac Cullinan. I'm an environmental lawyer from Cape Town in South Africa, and I'm also one of the judges of the International Rights of Nature Tribunal. So I became a rights of nature activist and a judge of the tribunal because I realized that we cannot solve the problems that we face with environmental law because the legal systems as a whole are part of the problem. Our legal systems, both internationally and nationally, regard everything that is not a human being, a corporation, or a state as an object, as an object that can have no rights. So from this perspective, the Amazon consists of natural resources which the governments of each of the countries of the Amazon can decide how to use. So the legal system is designed with the idea that nature, in this case the Amazon, must be exploited by people in the same way as slaves were exploited because they were defined as objects with no rights. But this is not the perspective of the International Rights of Nature Tribunal. We are here as part of a fact-finding delegation for a case which was started in Glasgow to hear violations of the rights of the Amazon as a living entity. Our perspective is, like yours, that this is not natural resources which different countries can decide how to use. The Amazon is a living being, and it is a community of many other living beings. It is a community of communities, and each of these beings have rights. As Leonardo Boff has said, everything that has come into being, everything that exists, has the right to be, the right to exist. And so when the tribunal decides its cases, it is guided both by the laws of nature and by the Universal Declaration of the Rights of Mother Earth that was adopted in 2010 in Cochabamba by a conference of 35,000 people. Over the years, the tribunal has heard many cases concerning the Amazon, cases concerning with the Belamonte Dam, with mining in the Amazon, with the pollution of rivers in the Amazon, and cases concerning the defenders of the Amazon. So the role of the tribunal is now to bring together all of these cases and we will be making a finding later this week which will describe what we think needs to be done to restore the Amazon to health, including its people. Thank you.